Guys, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you're watching me. How are you doing today? So on today's episode of video, showing you one of the features of Step Finance dashboard. Today we'll be walking through together on how you can swap using the Step Finance dashboard. How you can swap your token from one token or the other. How you can swap on Step and still earn reward for your swapping. So all you just need to do is just to go to your Phantom wallet. That's the Solana wallet. I prefer Phantom, very fast. So once you go to your Phantom, you go to the browsing aspect. So once you go to the browsing aspect, make sure you click the website you are going to is app.step.finance. app.step.finance. So once you go to the app, it will take you to an interface. So once you take it to this interface, you connect your wallet here. I've connected my wallet already. You can see it here. So I've connected my wallet already. So my wallet is connected already. So the next thing I need to do is click on this menu button. Then I click on swap. So once I click on swap, it will take me to another interface as well. You can see it here. Now I want to swap Step to Solana. Yes, I want to swap Step to Solana. All I just need to do, let's assume I want to swap half of the tokens, half of Step that I have in my account to Solana. I can just click on half, or you just input the amount of Step you want to swap to Solana. Are you getting it? So once you click on it, it's going to bring something. So the next thing for you just to do is just to click on swap. So once you click on swap, it's going to write approve transaction, and it's going to pop up this. Then you approve. So once you approve, automatically let's wait and see what it's going to bring to us. You see, I'm swapping into Step. You can see your swap Step into Solana. You can see successful. You can see I successfully swapped my Step into Solana. And same thing, if probably you want to swap your Solana to Step, it's the same way. All you just need to do is just to click on this arrow button here. Just click on it. Once you click on it, it will change the something from top to bottom. Are you seeing it? So I want to swap Solana to Step. You can see, and you can choose any other token as well. You can choose them. You can see if that's what you want to swap. So same way, let's assume I want to swap my Solana to Step. Same way, let's assume I want to swap half of my Solana to Step. You can see it here. So the next thing for me just to do is just to click on swap. So once I click on swap, it will be showing me approve transactions. Are you seeing it? Approve transactions. So same way, you can see. So all I just need to do is just to approve it. So once I successfully approve, it will load for some time. You can see successful. You swap Sol into Step. I successfully swapped that. Are you getting it? So that's how to swap, guys. All right. And the reward that comes with swapping as well, it's when you swap for like probably 5, 6, 7 times in a week. There are certain percentage that goes to those kind of people. Yes, there are certain percentage that go to those kind of people. Let me show you. This is it. Reward options. I drop for free to the users of swap features on Step Prorata to the amount of fees paid relative to the other user within 5 days period. Are you seeing it? The reward options function as a call option on Step with a start price of 10% higher than the price of Step. Are you seeing it? It's very easy to swap your token from Step to Solana or any other token. So that's how to swap from either Step to Solana or Solana to Step, or in any other way. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.